How to copy from your HP printer homepage. The HP Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short, is a printer homepage that is accessed through a web browser and can be used for managing printer copy settings. This video applies to multifunction printers with or without a touchscreen control panel. Note, your printer must be connected to the local network via a wireless or a wired connection to access the printer homepage. If you have the HP Smart App installed on your computer or mobile device, you can use it to access the printer homepage. Open the HP Smart App. HP Smart displays all connected printers. From the app home screen, select your printer name or image. Scroll down the list of settings and select Advanced Settings or Printer Homepage EWS. If you do not have the HP Smart App, you can also connect to the printer homepage by opening a web browser on your device and typing your printer IP address into the address bar. If a website security certificate displays, select Continue to open the printer homepage. If a login window appears, for the username type admin, and then for the password type the PIN found on the label located underneath or on the back of your printer, or type the password set by the printer administrator. The Printer Embedded Web Server opens. Select the Copy, Copy Settings, or Settings tab to change the default copy settings. When the Redirecting to Secure Page prompt appears, select OK. The default copy settings are now displayed. Use the Resize or Reduce/Enlarge drop-down menu to change the size of the copy. You can select Fit to Page, Actual Size, or Custom to specify a custom size as a percentage of the original size. The Quality drop-down lets you specify the copy quality level from Draft, Normal, and Best. Copy time might increase with better quality settings such as Best. Use the Lighter/Darker slider to make the copy lighter or darker if the original is faded or too saturated. The Enhancement option lets you select the type of item you are copying from text, photo, mixed, or none to automatically improve the quality by sharpening text and image edges or improving faded colors in photos. The Binding Margin or Margin Off drop-down applies or removes margins from the copies. The Two-Sided Copying option lets you copy on both sides of the paper. You can also select the media or paper size and media or paper type for your specific paper used for copying. The Default Tray option can be used to select the paper input tray with the paper you are using for your copies. Use the Collate feature for multi-page copies. Once done, select Apply to save the changes you have made to the copy settings. The printer will now use these updated settings when making any new copies. You can now load the original onto the scanner glass or into the document feeder in your printer and begin making copies with the new copy settings. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.